Stewart Connector and Bel's M12 X-Code Field-Terminated Plugs and cable assemblies are designed for connections in an industrial environment, while the M12 A-Code circular connectors are ideal in industrial automation and outdoor applications such as agriculture. The IP67 Rated M12 X-Code Field-Terminated Plugs combine the transmission reliability of RJ45 plugs with data transmission up to 10 gigabits per second and the reliability of M12 connectors in industrial environments. They require no specialty tools to terminate cable, making them ideal for field terminations or rework. The M12 X-Code cable assemblies are also IP67 rated and have the rugged features that make them ideal for use as high-performance connections for Modbus, Ethernet, Profinet, and EtherCAT. The M12 X-Code cable assemblies are shielded and feature a TPE cable jacket to add to their robust nature. Multiple cable lengths are available and range from 3 feet to 30 feet. The M12 A-Code connectors feature keying within the M12 series to prevent mismatching with other M12 keying options. The M12 A-Code connectors are IP67 rated when installed, allowing a reliable connection in an industrial environment. IDC and soldering termination options offer quick and easy installations, replacements, or upgrades. For more information on Stewart Connector and Bel's M12 X-Code Field-Terminated Plugs and cable assemblies, as well as the M12 A-Code circular connectors, visit Mouser.com.